you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we're opening up one of those boxes that always makes me feel so damn happy and good after opening it, and that is the Get Kindness box. So this is a quarterly box I've opened a couple times on my channel. I've opened it since it first came around, so it's been around for less than a year now, so it's a fairly new box, and I absolutely love it. Its whole message is to spread kindness and love, and we can all use some more of that in this world. So yeah, but it's every 3 months, and it is $49.99. I'm gonna leave all of the information down below if you're interested in subscribing. So it says kindness on the box, this big box. It says kind you, kind community, kind earth. So yeah, let's get this open and see what we got. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So it says something right on the inside. It says, we hope you all had some wonderful holidays. Remember, this time of year can be rough. There's all the stress that comes with the holidays. There's also less available natural light. These things can cause you to feel depressed. So check on yourself and your loved ones. You matter and so do they. All the kindness team. P.S. Don't forget to check out our raffle at getkindness.com/shop. Proceeds are being split between 2 causes. See our site for more details. That is a great reminder. Check in on yourself and loved ones. It is a hard time. Seasonal depression is a real thing. Less light and all the stress of the holidays. So yeah, I'm loving that they're saying to take care of yourself. And here is a card on top that says New Year, New You. And then it lists all of the items on the inside. So awesome. And the first thing I see here, it looks like it's a mask. It's like a green sleepy mask. Feels really nice and soft. So it says sleep mask. My cat keeps trying to come in here and eat my plants, so sorry if I look behind me sometimes. Archer, are you being good? Or are you being bad? Bad. But it's sleep mask. It says, thinking about taking a nap with your new blanket and socks? We've got you covered with this formed sleep mask. Oh, so there must be some blanket and mask in there. So, oh yeah, this keeps out all the darkness. I can't see a thing. So you can definitely sleep well with this on. It felt comfortable too. How's my hair looking now? I don't think it was really looking that good to begin with, but let's move on to what okay, so let's talk about the blanket and the socks that they already mentioned. So this feels so soft. Oh my gosh. So this is by Yaya's house. I think we might have gotten something from Yaya's house last time. It says, come to Yaya's house for all of your custom sewing needs. The door is always open. So we have a throw blanket here. It says, stay warm this winter under this super soft, handmade soft blanket. You know, it's finally getting a little cooler here in Florida. I was just in Chicago for a few days and it was in the 30s, so this would have been nice. You can roll it up and bring it on the plane with you too. This feels so soft, and I love blue. Blue is pretty much my favorite color, I think. I'm bad at picking favorites, but right now I think blue is my favorite color. This feels so soft. I just want to keep touching it. That makes me sound creepy, but let's look at the socks. Oh my god, these are super soft too. I wish you guys could feel you know how I talk about smell-o-vision a lot? Now I want there to be feel-o-vision. You can feel these, and these are stretchy, and socks are one thing that you can get to fit most people. So it says, don't forget to warm those toes in these cozy winter socks. They're so cozy. Oh my god, I'm in such a cozy mode. I was a little cold today. I even have a sweater on. Usually I'm in a tank top here in Florida. So let's move on to the next item. I'll try and go in order on the sheet. So, love the name of this. So the next item is Motivational Journal. And on here it says, follow your dreams. And it says, stay on top of those New Year resolutions with this motivational journal. You've got this. Follow your dreams. I love that. So it looks like on the inside it is lined paper. And yeah, so awesome. And I love how this folds back. Sometimes journals don't do that, so that is convenient. And I love how they call this a motivational journal. I could tell I use some motivation every day. I use tools like that. Very helpful. And there should be a pen in here. It says, no journaling experience is complete without a nice new pen. Enjoy your new journal with this sleek rose gold pen. So, wow, there's even a fancy pen case. I just dropped something to the ground. So The actual ink component of it I dropped to the ground, but wow, this is like super pretty and rose gold and sleek. And then there's an ink cartridge that fell to the ground, which I'm not going to bend down and get right now, that you put in. And yeah, this is one you twist to open and close. So this is super cute. I love rose gold stuff. Ooh, it looks like we have some lip balm in here. Here it is right here. So this is by Pioneer Soap Co., the all natural lip balm made in Utah. It contains cocoa and shea, almond, virgin olive, jojoba, and wheat germ oil, lanolin, beeswax, honey, pure essential oils, and pure botanicals for color. So that is what the outer packaging looks like. And then on the back, you can see that we got it in the center flavor Fruitful. And it says, "'Tis the season for dry lips. Keep those kissers hydrated with this organic, eco-friendly lip balm." So it screws off, and it looks like this. And it does smell fruity. I can't wait to use this. I use lip balm all day. I love lip balm. Totally necessary. And the next item is whipped body wash. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, I found it. So it's in this bag right here. Let's get it out. It's from the Rustic Cottage. It says, "Thank you for your purchase and for supporting a small business. Plant the paper and watch it grow." Cool. So they gave it, like the paper they give you, it like has plant seeds. It says plant seed paper under 1/8 of soil, 1/8 inch of soil. Water thoroughly. Place in sunny corner and keep moist during germination to grow fresh parsley. I'm gonna do this today. That is so cool. Like, this box is seriously so kind on the earth and everything. So the whipped body wash comes with this little spoon here, it looks like. And it's, again, by the Rustic Cottage Company, the North Pole. Sweet peppermint sticks, rich creamy vanilla whipped soap. This looks really cool. It says, "What's it for? This product can be used as a body soap, hand soap, and also a shaving cream. So use the provided spatula to remove the desired amount of product. Apply to a wet washcloth or loofah and lather and rinse as usual." And it's made with coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, glycerin, water, and some other things too. There's some fragrance oils and sodium chloride, stearic acid. So awesome. I'm excited to try this out. It says, "We had this soap whipped up just for you. It's beautiful, fun, and you can reuse the tub." Awesome. I always try and reuse packaging of things, and if I don't, I always recycle too. I get a lot of boxes, so I am very conscious. Oh my God, excuse me. Sorry, I got like a tickle in my throat. I was just saying I am very conscious of how I dispose of my items or reuse my items, because I get so many, so I love that they remind you of that. The next thing it says in here is a loofah. And here's our loofah right here. Cool. So it says, "This organic loofah is perfect for enjoying your new soap." I love how everything is so well coordinated. And you guys, I feel like there's some extra stuff in here. So let's open this right here. Or I just missed it on the list. Oh, it's a mug. It says, "Change their stories and yours." While you sip something warm from this mug, please know that a blanket and pillow have been donated on your behalf through the Child Fund International to help keep kids warm around the world. If you would like to join us in spreading more kindness, please sponsor a child by visiting www.childfund.org/getkindness. That's so sweet. I'll leave that link down below as well. And here's the green mug. It says, "Change begins with you." This is beautiful. I love that this box gives back. So yeah, if anyone is looking for an organization to donate to, I'll leave that link down below. And then we always get like a little kindness pin here. And it says, "Don't throw your wrap away." So I didn't even show you guys this. So a lot of the products are wrapped up in this material right here, which is actually quite beautiful. But they do this every month. Their wrapping material is reusable. Like, they're great. It says, "Here's an idea we came up with how you can repurpose it. We thought this fabric wrap would make something great. Included is a pattern to help you get started. You can find instructions on our website, getkindness.com/wraps. And then it asks if you did anything else with it. You can do that. And honestly, you can probably just use this as like a scarf if you want, but this fabric is beautiful. So you just go on their website and they'll give you directions on how to repurpose it. Love that. And then every month they have a featured artisan bonus gift. So this is from a small company and it is an added bonus. So let's see what this is. So we got like 2 added bonuses. We got the mug, which helps feed our warm children. So amazing. Here's a card here. It says, the bonus gift was provided to you by Seed Ballz. If you love this product as much as we do, reach out to this artisan and let them know. See what other unique products they have to offer. We know they would be excited to hear from you. And it says, at Get Kindness, we like to share our platform with small artisans. Our bonus gift program allows small artisans to share their goodies with a larger audience. This helps build and support these small local gems that might not have been seen otherwise. It also gives our customers a chance to get an extra unique product in their box for free. Everyone wins. Ooh, and this is Florida on it. It says seedballs.com, wildflower seed balls native to your region, and this is from Florida. So it says non-GMO, pesticide-free seed balls make growing U.S. native wildflowers simple and fun. Support pollinators and biodiversity with colorful native wildflowers. Gently press into the soil. Do not bury. Keep moist while first several leaves appear. And mine says Florida, which is actually where I live. And so the flowers in here, I believe that is what it means. I am not a gardener. I was just saying the other day how I love to get into gardening. It says butterfly weed, sneeze weed, black-eyed Susans, panicled aster, smooth blue aster, and yarrow. I will hold it up close if maybe you can pause it and look if you are really good with that stuff. But that is such a neat extra gift. I love it. And spring is around the corner. Even if you don't live in Florida, you can still plant things really soon. We're getting there. It's almost February. We got this, you guys, or you guys got this. I experienced winter for like 3 days this year, but anyways, I thought this box was great. It always makes me feel so good. I love how they give back. I mean, I just realized how cozy I am with this blanket. So we got, for a bonus gift, we got the seeds and this mug. It supports an amazing charity. We got these really comfy socks. This amazingly cozy blanket, which I have a feeling one of my cats is going to be laying on super soon. We have this body whip, a loofah that you can use with your body whip. We got some lip balm. We got a sleeping mask. We got our pretty pen. Like, is this the prettiest pen you've ever seen? Oh my gosh. It even has that little carrier if you want to use that, and our motivational journal. So I think this box is so great. If you guys want to check this box out or learn some more, I'm going to leave all of their information down below. But anyways, thank you all so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And I'm going to read the note here. I forgot to read. It says, from the bottom of our hearts, we hope this box brings you happiness. When we are at our best, we can give our best to the world. Let's make the world kinder together. So I'll just end on that note. Bye guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.